Welcome, this is Meenu Chaudhary for Channel NE24. Materials for constructing a Bailey Bridge have finally arrived at the site of the collapsed Harang Bridge and work has now begun, bringing much needed relief to the residents. The bridge, which had collapsed on June 17th under the weight of two overloaded trucks, cutting off a vital road link for people in the Barak Valley and the wider northeast, especially affecting daily commuters from Katigora and Borkola. In the aftermath, ferry services and makeshift bamboo and hanging bridges were set up, but these were temporary and often unsafe. As frustration grew among the public, continuous media coverage to the lack of action. This ultimately pushed the administration to respond. Now, with the arrival of the Bailey Bridge materials and construction underway, hope is returning to the affected communities. For more news and updates, subscribe our channel NE24, YouTube, and support us by following the Facebook page.
আরম্ভ হয়েছে আমরা ধন্যবাদ জানাই আমাদের মাননীয় কর্মবীর মুখ্যমন্ত্রী এবং কর্তৃপক্ষকে যেহেতু আমরা অতি কষ্টে জীবনযাপন করছি যত তাড়াতাড়ি পারা যায় আমাদের এই বৃষ্টি সম্পূর্ণ আমাদেরকে সাহায্য সহযোগিতা করার জন্য কৃপা দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করছে।